The limb lifting and turning strap is used to provide access for wound care or hygiene and to provide support for a limb that would otherwise have to be manually lifted and held. The two straps can also be used to turn a person. Place the strap under the person's limb that you would like raised. Position the strap at the point on the limb where you would like it lifted. Recommended placement for lifting a leg is between the person's knee and ankle. Position between the elbow and wrist when lifting an arm. Note, do not place the strap below the ankle for lifting the leg. Lower the boom of the lift enough to hook up the straps. Hook each loop end of the lifting strap to one of the two center hooks on the lift hanger bar, hooking one end of the strap on each side. Note, be sure to attach to the center hooks on the hanger bar assembly, not the swiveling sling hangers. Raise the limb slightly. Once there is tension on the loops, pause lifting and double check to make sure the loops are securely seated in the hooks. Raise the limb to the desired height. Use caution when lifting. Do not overextend the person's limb, as this may cause the limb strap to slip. Do not leave the person unattended while using the limb lifting straps.